Hello YouTube friends and welcome to So Aldo. So today I am going to show you how I am going to upcycle some of my old clothes. Instead of donating them at the thrift store, I decided to give them an update so I can wear them again. So as you can see, I actually already finished the projects. It's already right here. But before we get started, be in the know, subscribe, and be notified. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. These are the two dresses that I am going to be updating today. So this one was purchased like 2 years ago, and I actually really like it just because it is white dress with black polka dots. I really like it. I actually like the v-neck. The reason why I don't really reach for this dress is because it's a high and low hem, and high and low hem doesn't complement my petite size. So my plan for today is turning it into a top instead and doing something along the sleeve because this has a flutter sleeves. So I'm going to update that. And then the next one is the dress that I made I think a month ago. Oh, I made this late July. And whenever I wear this dress, I always roll it above my elbow. So I thought there is no reason for me to keep it as a long sleeve just because I always roll it up. So what I'm going to do is basically trim the sleeves, and then I'm going to do shirring on the hem. So it will give me that cute sheared sleeves effect that I really like. And yes, so that is my plan for today. I have a tutorial on how I made this dress. I'm going to have that link in the description box below. I'm going to work on this dress first just because I already thread my sewing machine in red, so it is good to go. I'm gonna do 14 inches, that's including the 1/2 inch seam allowance. Going to mark it to cut off 3 inches. So I'm just going to measure it from here, and then just like that. So that's 3 inches. Just because the sleeve is so narrow, I am going to fold it 1/4 inch like this and then sew it all the way around. Then fold it one more time to hide the raw edges and sew it all the way around. I am just sewing on top of the stitch that I made earlier. Don't forget to backstitch, and I will repeat the same step on the other sleeve. After I hem the sleeves, I am going to be shearing it to achieve a puff sleeve look, or like a lantern sleeves look. Manually wind the bobbin using an elastic thread, and I'm simply going to drop it in the bobbin case. I'm just going to simply put it in the grooves. So I'm just going to thread the bobbin just like a normal thread, but instead of putting it on this last end, I am just going to put it to the side. And then I will turn the needle so I can pick up the bobbin thread. I will use a seam ripper so I can easily pull out the elastic thread. I already have a tutorial on how to successfully do shearing stitch, so if you want to go ahead and watch that video, I'm going to have the link up here in the info card or at the end screen. Then I adjusted my stitch length to 4.6. It will vary depending on your sewing machine, so make sure that you test it out. I'm going to shear stitch. I am sewing on the right side of the fabric, and it is about 1/2 inch away from the hemline. You can do 2 rows of shear stitch. It will give you a nice design, but I decided to do just one. As you reach where you started, you are obviously going to trim the elastic, but make sure that you pull it out, because if you trim it right away, it will bounce back and you will lose it, and you will have to re-thread the bobbin. Here I tried it on just to make sure that the elastic is not super tight, and then once I'm satisfied, I can easily adjust it and then tie a knot so it will not unravel. Repeat the same process on the other sleeve. The next one is this dress. So I already finished the red dress right behind me and I like the results. So now I am going to actually put on the dress so I can mark where I want to mark it right there, and I'm just going to trim it all the way around, and I'm going to do something with the sleeve. I'm going to shear it as well. After I figure out how long I want the top to be, I am going to measure from the waistline down. So I use the pin as my marker and it is about 6 inches from the waistline. I will add about 1/2 inch hem allowance when I cut it out later. By the way, you guys, I hope you are enjoying this beginner-friendly sew with me sewing projects. I absolutely love DIYing my old clothes cute again, so I hope you are inspired. This is almost like a DIY thrift flip sewing project. The only difference is I did not spend any money. And then I will cut it off one layer at a time. This dress is a faux wrap dress after all. At the end of the video, I will show you how to style this cute top. All I have to do is basically just fold it and hem it all the way around. After I finish hemming the blouse, I am going to shear the sleeve. It's pretty much the same way that I did earlier. I'm going to be shearing it 1 inch away from the hemline. And this is what it looks like. Now I am going to try it on to adjust the tightness of the elastic, and then I am going to knot it so it will not unravel. And then I will repeat the same step on the other sleeve. So you guys, while I am filming, look what showed up. I'm going to style these using these outfits that are on the rack. So let's go ahead and style it. For the first outfit is a classic black and white combination. I absolutely love this outfit. I made the skirt a long time ago. It was a thrifted transformation. I decided to use this white shoulder bag from Nine West. I actually just recently purchased it from TJ Maxx. I like how this top turned out. It looks super chic and classy. Peplum tops are actually very nice because it will hide any unnecessary bump that you don't want to show. For example, you want to hide your tummy. Peplum top is a great way to do that. Absolutely love this outfit. I can throw on a blazer and it will totally elevate this outfit to a whole new level. The next outfit is probably one of my favorite thrifted transformation sewing projects. It is super easy and I just love the final result. I love mixed print. It makes me look skinny and tall, which I can appreciate. I'm sure you probably already seen this dress in so many of my awkward fashion videos. But of course, you can't blame me for that. This dress is absolutely beautiful. Wearing white accessories elevated this beautiful dress outfit. Anyway, I really enjoyed DIYing my old clothes cute again. So that's it, you guys, and I hope you like this simple upcycling idea. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be in the know, subscribe and be notified so you won't miss out whenever I post a new video. I will see you next time. Bye!